Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we will quickly go over how to fix a memory lag issue in Palworld. This problem can cause your game to slow down or even crash. But don't worry, I have got some easy steps to help you out. First of all, always make sure your game is up to date. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs like memory lags. Head over to your game launcher, whether it's Steam or another platform, and check for updates. Install any available patches. After that, try lowering your in-game graphics settings. Memory lags can be triggered when high-demand settings overload your system resources. Go to Settings, reduce the textures, shadows, and resolution quality. This can help lessen the strain on your memory. After that, close any unnecessary background applications. Other software can hang your system RAMs, leading to a higher chance of memory lags. Use Task Manager to shut down apps like browsers, music players, or any that use a lot of memory. If the problem persists, reinstalling Palworld may help. Sometimes corrupted file can contribute to memory lags. Backup your save files, uninstall the game, and then do a fresh installation. That's it for today's quick fix. If these steps helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.